wait. Much better. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I welcome you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please stick around. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. And let's get into today's video. I will be doing yet another summertime look. The last time I did it, you guys seemed to really like it, but it was very pink, and I want to do some other colors today. Some other very fun summer colors. So easy wearable and basically just two colors. Well, one of the colors you're going to be using different shades of it, technically, but still two colors. So if you are interested in seeing the eye look that I have for today, then please keep on watching. Base is already done. For blush, I did use my Wander Beauty Trip for 2 blush in here. And for highlight, I did use my BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease palette. The two highlighters that are in there, Olympia and Athens. I still haven't fixed this palette. A super long time ago, I mentioned that this palette is broken. It's broken still. I haven't fixed it. It looks like this, but this one and this one, I mixed them up for the face highlight. Alright, so for eyes, let's go ahead and begin. First, picking up my Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. You guys saw this in the previous video. And I'm going to be focusing on these blue, teal type of colors over here. With a very fluffy brush, I'm going in with Saltwater Dip first. And this one, I'm just going to start applying it messily onto the crease, bring it upwards. I'm not worried about it being perfect because this is basically mostly a transition shade. I want it to be a light one because we'll be working up on this color later. So just blend. What I'm going to do next is I kind of want to clean this up a little bit, so I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm going to sweep it up, and this also helps to give your eye that shape that you want. Well, I mean, it depends because sometimes I do want like my eyeshadow coming around. I don't know. Not today. It's gonna go up today. And I was thinking about using tape, but I didn't want it to be like too defined either. So I don't know. I like to do this when I just want it somewhat slightly up. Going in with the denser blending brush, now I'm going into this shade right here, Sail Away. And this one first, I'm going to tap it like in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna tap. Oh yeah, that's the color I want. Okay. So we're gonna tap all over the eyelid, and once we have that pigment there, I'll go ahead and start blending it into that first shade that we have. Actually, I'm going to have to swish it around first. Now we can go in to blend it up here. I do want to add like a shimmer right in the middle of my eyelid just to make this whole look pop a little bit more. So I'm going in with the concealer brush into this shade right here, Island Hop, and I am completely obsessed with this shade. So let me first see how well it sticks on by itself. Oh yeah, that's gonna do it. Yeah. And I'm going to apply that same shimmer into my inner corner and brow bone. On lower lash line, and I'm picking up this white eyeliner pencil from Essence, just lining the whole bottom. I want that color that we're going to put on there to pop, and let's give it a little wing, a small wing down here, just small. Switching palettes, going in with the Juvias Zulu palette, also seen in my previous video. But now I'm going in with an angled liner brush, and I'm picking up this orange and place that right on top of all of the white. Carried away with the underwing, and it came out bigger than expected. But that's okay because it still works. And now you guys know my routine, so I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. I am going to add a black wing on top, curl my lashes, and add mascara. Nude and glossy, I'm going to be taking my NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. Right on top of that, my NYX Self Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo. And then for lip gloss, we're taking the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Love Struck. this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm getting very much tropical vibes from this look. And again, very simple, but I think beautiful at the same time. That perfect touch of color that everyone wants for the summertime. I really feel like the shimmer on the middle of the eyelid, in the inner corner, and the brow bone gave this look dimension. I think that shimmer definitely gives this look that extra something that it needs without going too much over the top. These colors are very, very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Let me know what you think of this look down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!